Do I need to change my router settings to connect my Ring doorbell to Wi-Fi?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common question. Do I need to change my router settings to connect my Ring doorbell to Wi-Fi? The simple answer is no. You typically don't need to change your router settings. Let's break down the process in the next sections.
Understanding the Ring doorbell.
The Ring doorbell is a smart device that connects to your Wi-Fi network at home. It allows you to view and talk to anyone at your doorstep from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Setting it up is fairly simple and straightforward, and usually doesn't require changing your router settings.
Steps to connect your Ring doorbell to Wi-Fi.
To connect your Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi, follow these steps. 1. Download and install the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Open the Ring app and select Set up a device from the menu. 3. Choose your Ring doorbell from the list of devices. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This will include scanning the QR code or MAC ID on the device and choosing your Wi-Fi network. Remember, during this process, your Ring doorbell should automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network without needing to modify your router settings.
When would I need to change my router settings?
In most cases, you won't need to adjust your router settings. However, there might be instances where changes are necessary. These might include if your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, if your router's security settings are incompatible with the Ring doorbell, if your Wi-Fi is running on a crowded channel. In such cases, it might be necessary to adjust your router settings, such as changing the Wi-Fi channel, updating the firmware, or adjusting the security settings. Always consult with a professional or refer to your router's manual if you're unsure about making these changes. So there you have it. Connecting your Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi is a simple process and usually doesn't require changing your router settings. But remember, if you do encounter issues, it may be necessary to adjust your router settings to ensure a stable connection. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.